Hi, third graders. In today's reading mini lesson, you talked about how you should tell the important events in order when you're telling about a biography. And as a class, you should have come up with some things that are important that you would include as you're telling someone about it. So it might be important to tell who the book is about, why the person is important, where the story takes place, the problem of the story and how it was solved, and then the important events in order. And that in order is important to remember, that you don't want to tell events of a story out of order. They always should be in chronological order from the beginning of the story to the end of the story. So for your time for independent reading, I want you to read and think about how you might tell the book. What events are important? What things could you include if you were going to give somebody some important information about a story that's a biography?